Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to cancel AliExpress order. Open AliExpress application on your device and then go to your account at the bottom side of your screen, and then search for section My Orders and tap View All. Scroll through your list and find the order that you want to cancel, and then tap on it to open the details of your order and look for a button called Cancel Order. But here is a little note that this button will only show up if the seller hasn't shipped your order yet. After you pressed that button, you'll be asked to choose the reason why you want to cancel it. Simply pick the one that fits you the best, and after that confirm the cancellation. Next, you will get a message saying the request was sent to the seller, and most of the time, if the seller hasn't shipped your order, it will be automatically approved. Later, to check if your cancellation went through, if it worked, go back to your order that you cancelled and see if its status says cancelled. But if the seller already shipped your order, you will not see the cancel option anymore, and then you will have to wait for delivery and then open a dispute if it's needed. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.